Warm Rotaract greetings. In this video, we will see how to create poster in Rotaract with live Photoshop tutorial. Okay, why poster? Poster is very important for promotion and branding in Rotaract. The poster helps to explain everything we do in simple way. There are some important rules to follow in Rotaract to create such posters. Let's see. This is here. Here we are going to explain how to create poster using Photoshop software. If you are using any other software, please collect the information and follow here. Requirements to design posters. Software, PSD templates, PNG pictures, font styles, logos, little editing knowledge. Have to download Photoshop software. There are many ways to download Photoshop software, but we suggest only download from Adobe official website. Here the link to download Photoshop from Adobe website. Next, how to download PSD templates. First of all, what is PSD templates? It is a Photoshop document. If you are a beginner to Photoshop, you can download templates from external sites and use that to design your posters. Also, many websites provide free and paid version of Photoshop PSD templates. The best site I recommend to download free templates is freepik.com. If you want more website, search poster PSD templates in your browser. You will get a lot of sites there. Next, very important part to poster is about logo. In Rotaract posters, logos play a vital role. Rotary logo, Rotary theme logo, Rotaract logo, district logo, club logo. In every posters, you must add these 5 logos. Use this same order in your poster for a neat look. If you don't have any logo, please contact your district officials. Important notes for adding logos. Logo color. Use only the given color logos like RGB, white, black color logos. Don't change logos color. Placement of logos. Many formats there. Here we explain some formats. First, basic poster. Basic in your club project poster, you can use Rotary logo, after that Rotary theme, then Rotaract logo, then district logo, and final club logo. If any joint project within district, you can add Rotary logo, Rotary theme, Rotaract logo, district logo, and the clubs logos. If you do joint project with lot of clubs, you can add Rotary logo, Rotary theme, Rotaract logo, district logo. Next, if any international joint projects with many clubs, you can use Rotary logo, Rotaract logo, then clubs logo. We will see about important details in poster. A Rotaract poster must include these things. First one, logos, club name, parent Rotary, group. Some district mention this as zone or a district, event or project name, online description about that, date, time, venue, president and secretary names. Also, if you would like to add more details, add your club ID, club charter date, event chairman, social media IDs. One best placement, it's just for your reference only. In top, add logos in order. Next, add your club name, little, big or use bold letters. After that, add your parent Rotary name. After that, add your group or zone, RIID, club ID, charter date. In center, add your project name and below that, add online description. Then, add project, date, time, venue. In bottom, add your president and secretary name. If the project has an event chairman, don't mention the chairman name on the same line as the president secretary. Mention little above on that. Here some posters for your reference. Okay, let's see in live how to create poster using Photoshop software. And here we going to explain how to create poster using Photoshop software. If you are using any other software or sites, please collect the informations and follow here. If you are a beginner to Photoshop software, you can easily create a poster by downloading the PSD templates from external sites, or you are well in Photoshop, you can create your own ideas there. Here I will help to beginners. First we need template, so let's see how to download it. Open your browser, better to Chrome, search free PSD templates download. Select one website, I choose freepik.com site. Now search here what do you want. We need poster template, so I search poster here. Select one best template here. I select this one. Now there is a download button on the right side. Click that. Select free download. If you use any other professional purpose, you can buy this template. Otherwise, I choosing free download. It has started downloading in zip format. After done downloading, open that file in your file manager folder. Once refresh and right click your mouse, click extract files. Now zip format convert to folder. Open that folder. Here now 4 files there. One is PSD and JPG file, others are licensed. Check template preview in JPG file and then PSD format. This is very important file. We are going to create poster with using this only. Now right click in your mouse and select open with and then Photoshop. And also another one option there to open this PSD template. After enter in Photoshop, just click open and select PSD templates in your file manager. This is Photoshop working area. I am using Photoshop 20 version. If you are using lower or higher version, some settings may be different. Okay, let's see about tools. This is move tool. In poster editing, it is very important tool. Next important tool is text tool. And next zoom tool, but better to use shortcut keys. Press Ctrl and plus to zoom in and Ctrl plus minus to zoom out. I mean Ctrl and minus to zoom out. Next workplace arrangement. Use Windows option to add or remove. Layers, this is layers, very important one. And then character, this also need to make posters. I will create model poster only, so I remove unnecessary things. Just select that layer and turn off or delete easily with using your keyboard keys. Okay, we will change the template as we want. And please note, you must select move tool in this process. Okay, first add logos to poster. Just open folder where you saved your logos. Drag logos by one to add here. And edit layer name. If you add more image or text, then it will help to find layers easily. Next, I add Protract and District logos. If you want to add background to logos, just click this tool and select what shape you want. Draw shape with using your mouse. Click move tool and adjust in center and then change suitable color like this. And drag this layer below where you add logos. Okay, now logos are done. Actually, I add logos with more space here. You can adjust that. Next, let's see how to add text. To format there to add text. One is select text tool and click screen. The text box will open. It's like Microsoft Office insert text. Same procedure here. Another one is just double click text in this template and edit that. But here I double tap to edit text. It's showing missing error pop-up. The reason is that font not available in my system. If you want same font, go to browser and download like this easily. Install that font. Check now, error not showing there. Okay, first add your club name. I'm not using shortcut keys there because if I use shortcut keys you feel little difficult to find what I do, but learn shortcut keys. It's very useful to edit posters with quick. Edit your text layer also because already I said to find layers easily. Okay, next add your parent Rotary club name and then next line add your group or zone and RI district here. If you want adjust layer size, go to edit and select transform and then select scale. Now layer edit option will open. You can adjust layer like this. Okay, next add your project name here. I named project as board meeting. And below that add one line description about that project. If you want to add image in this shape, next some template have already image shape. If you want to add image in this same shape, do this. Okay, now I create board meeting poster only, so I removed unwanted things in this template. Now this poster looks very plain, so I will add some images to looks good. Best to add PNG images. Best website to download PNG images, I recommend freepik.com and PNG Tree. Freepik.com same procedure only like template download format. Now I select PNG Tree website. But note this, in this website we download only 2 PNG image per day. If you want more image, you can log out this account and log in another one account to get chance again to download 2 images. Okay, now here search meeting related image because it's board meeting project, so I search that. Select which image will perfect to your poster. I select this one. Click this to download. After done downloading, drag this to Photoshop, adjust like this. Okay, next add effects to your image or text. Select the text layer. Please note, don't select that text, select that layer, and also select effects in layer bottom side. Now selecting bending option, lot of effects here. You can choose which one looks good. In this part, full and fully your creativity only. Next I add event, date, time, venue. If you want shape, you can add like this. Now bending is president and secretary names. Add that also like this. And then please note RTR is very important one. Use capital R and then use small letters to TR. If you use RTR full caps, it's look like abbreviation. So you can use R in caps and TR in small. And website and social media is your wish. It's not compulsory but good to add. Next, if the project has an event chairman, I am already said, don't mention the event chairman name on the same line as the president secretary. Mention little above on that to looks good. Okay, now done our poster, and this is just one good format only. After that, extra effects and designs are your creativity only, and template selection is very important one. If you want meeting related template, you can search here and get related templates. Okay, now let's see how to save this poster. Go to File, select Export. If you want PNG type, select Quick Export, or any other formats, select Export as. Select format. Next, size. Don't change anything here, and also don't change quality. If you are using professional purpose, change here metadata, otherwise no need anything. After done all changes, click export, select save location and rename file here. Rename this file, rename this with project name with date is good. Okay, that's all about poster designing. It's just model only. Creativity is editor's choice. But in this video, I mentioned some important notes. Follow that in your creativity. Thank you.